Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a web page that will contain references to all your work. That is, I want to create a summary of all the links that will reference all my work in a single page, like what you're seeing on your screen. This is something that I created using Canva. If you see, I've even linked it to my website. This contains links to multiple areas of my work. If I need to share all these details to someone, I need to be sending 12 different links. Instead, I just need to send a single link. That is very efficient too, right? Something like this can be created using Linktree. That's very popular to create a link of all your work. However, I found Canva to be so much better because it offers a lot of functionalities and it is very easy to do, right? So this kind of link page can be created by content creators, by marketers, by people who are applying for jobs. Yeah, even for people who are applying for jobs. You can create something like this, right? You can list all your work. Let's say, if you're applying for a technical role, you can even provide GitHub link, LinkedIn link, and you can put your resume, in a Google Drive, and you can provide a link to that. So multiple different work that you do can all be linked, in a single web link. Please note that all the links that you use in this bio link are clickable, and you can even get details of how many people have clicked your different links and which area or which country, which region they are from using the insights option. That's the power of a bio link or a link tree that I talked about. So let's get started how to create a bio link or a tree of links in Canva. So all you need to do is come to Canva homepage, right, and click bio link. Okay, it will show you different options that you can use. If you see, there is a portrait option, and then there is the landscape option. There is an option for for people who are applying for jobs. This is the format that is very good for sending resumes. Okay, you can change the photo that is shown here. If you are running a restaurant, you can use one of this, right? Depending on your need, you can choose one of the options that is available here. Okay, the one that I showed here, right? The one that I showed here, I created this using this particular format. Okay, the purple one, right? So when I click that, it takes me, it opens up, as a separate page, and I can do all the customization in this particular area. Okay, for the purpose of demonstrating, I'm going to be using this particular format. This is a very simple one. Let's click this, and you can replace this photo, right? Let me replace this with my photo and do the changes here, right? Let's call it as AM Govind Kumar, and let's say mention about my area, AIML, fraud risk, transformation, right? So, and let's change the photo. How do you do that? Come to uploads. You can upload your photo and any other image you want in this from your hard drive or from cloud. So you can use the upload image option and bring your images for use in Canva environment. So let's use this photo. We can remove that. Just need to drag and it's done. So how do you add this? Come here, right click, link, email me. Let's give info@cportai.com. That's all, so you can change, all your details. You can mention about me, right? Let's do these changes, right? I am an experienced, something like that, I am an experienced corporate executive. Let me provide with 2 decades of experience in MNCs and startups, right? So if I want to add my resume, all I need to do is right click, come to link, put the link. That's it. Portfolio, that's it, right? So all let's say I don't like this color, come here, you can change it to blue. Okay, blue and white is more corporate. Okay, so now I'm ready to send my resume out. Okay, see this contains my email, this contains my LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and even Instagram. Okay, maybe Instagram is not very appropriate for sharing, for the purpose of employment, right? That's my personal opinion. Your opinion could be very different. Okay, so you of course definitely include your LinkedIn, right? You can, resume is very important. Portfolio of projects, right? If you have any GitHub links, you can include that. For demonstrating this format, I just changed the name, changed the pic, and added the link for resume and portfolio only. The other links I have not added, like the link for Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can add them as appropriate. Okay, right? So we are ready to share this. Now, how will you do it? And before that, let's do a preview. Okay, how does it look? See, this is how it will look, right? And on the desktop and in mobile, this is how it's going to look. So let's also rate this and we are done. Okay, so let's close this and we are ready to share. Okay, so how will you share it? Let's see the options here. Um, let's choose website. Okay, you can either link it to your domain. That's what I did here. Okay, or you can use the domain from Canva itself. So for now, let's continue with this option. Continue. Let's give, uh, my resume, right? Or call it as Govind's profile. Govind profile. Call this. Okay. Let's click continue. Okay. You can even protect it with password. You can hide my website from search engine. For now, I'm not going to do any of that. And you can add website description too. Let's publish this. Okay. It's preparing the bio link. Now it is ready to go. Let's click this. See, it's pretty fast as well. Okay, isn't this wonderful? The other cool thing is you can also get to see, analytics about the links, right? So who has viewed which link? We just created, so we are not seeing any of this. Okay, so when you click this, when you come to Canva using your login and come to this particular design you created, in this there is option to view the analytics, performance of different links. How many times, let's say your resume has been viewed, you can see that here. Okay, now we will go to the other option, which is how to publish, this bio link as part of your own website. We need to copy this link and do the rest of the changes in WordPress. I've already logged into my WordPress, so I'm going to create a new page. Okay, come to pages. Once you have logged into your WordPress account, click new page. Okay, and let's add a block here. and we will click custom HTML. Okay. Now, from the Canva site where we created this, come to more options, and in that click embed. Okay. Now let's click embed. The HTML embed code is available. So let's copy this. Come here and copy this particular piece of code. Okay. And what is the name you want to give? Let's give ref, right? Or sample. Okay. So, and we will click publish. Okay. Now, if you see this, some additional details that I don't want, and plus this particular option is there, we can change that, in WordPress. I'm back in my WordPress admin page, and I click edit with Elementor. In my page layout option, I'll choose Elementor Canvas. Okay. Let's see how it comes. But still it carries black, white, modern software engineer resume website by Govind Kumar. You don't want this to appear, right? So what do? So click this, okay. Come to text. If you click this, it's taking you to the text editor. You see this particular thing is there by Govind Kumar. So let's remove this. Okay. Let's remove this and you're done. But still has this, right? So let's also remove this. That's it. And let's update it. And let's go and see how it looks. See this? There is no reference to the format. Okay. You see this here because I have logged in as an admin. Okay. And that's why you are seeing this. The advantage with using your own site is through this link, that is seaportai.com/sample, or whatever link you create, you will be able to drive traffic to your website. That's the advantage. Isn't this bio link really cool? We took what? A little over 10 minutes to complete this. So the one I created, you can create like this. You just need to spend a little bit more time. Okay, in this video, I demonstrated this.